Blizzard Beach. No, that's not here. Here we are today at Disney's Typhoon Lagoon to get shipwrecked at the water park. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Whoa.
Dive right in with us. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell, and leave us a comment. We love the interaction. Let us know which water park is your favorite.
Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach.
Or any other water park that you like.
Yeah, there are a zillion around the world. Around the world, around the world.
Oh
She called that singing. That's very generous.
If you're using any kind of photography or video device, please make sure that you have at least one hand on a handle per person, per tube, for the entire voyage. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Do I have it in a good slot position?
Misadventure Falls. This is your captain, Mary Oceaneer.
Ride number 1, Misadventure Falls.
We really like to ride this one first for some reason. It's kind of there first in the park. We miss the old Spanish lady's voice. She wasn't an old lady.
The former version. Almost to the tippy top, the tippy top, the tippy top. Here we go.
I didn't know that was coming.
Wait, I know you did. Next stop is the Banana Blaster,
Which is part of the Slush and Gusher triple water coaster attacks.
Enjoy, guys.
Yeah. Darkness soon. And down the hill. Little sideways on that one.
Next stop, Pineapple Plunger.
Also part of the Slush and Gusher, the Typhoon has struck again. We're going to escape again in our fruit crates with pineapples and coconuts.
It is time. Here we go.
Yeah!
Oh,
that sounds good. Big smile.
This is hard to turn off.
Been posting pictures like him with black clothes on like that.
Last but not least, it's time for the Coconut Crusher.
We have met the minimum 48-inch height requirement for the 3rd time.
All right, surfers, are you ready to go? Ready? How am I going to use that phone? Woo!
Oh yeah. Hi Zena.
Hey!
Camera's down.
All right, hold tight. Are you ready? Yep. Time for some single rider action on.
last one was called Mayday Falls, and it is such an emergency that she forgot the name as she went off into the bumpy river.
Yeah, it's so bumpy.
She says she doesn't like it, but I bet she laughed a lot.
I do. Well, you'll know because you saw it.
This one is one of her favorites, though.
And you can see the Disney Springs balloon way back there somewhere.
To your left? Yeah.
To my left.
There you go. Left and up, maybe?
There it is. Are you ready? Ready. Perfect. Here we go. There we go. Now we're right somewhere. So relaxing. This is such a fun.
Break! And it's time for lunch at Typhoon Lagoon. We grabbed some grub. What did you get, Zena?
Well, we went to Leaning Palm and I got the jerk chicken rice bowl, $9.99. Jerk chicken, rice and pigeon peas with some corn salsa, and it has like some pineapples and green onions and sweet plantains.
And she really likes it. Yeah, good.
It's a lot of food, but we're hungry.
What was mine called again? I don't remember. It's a chicken sandwich.
I think it's a jerk chicken sandwich, isn't
Yes, the jerk chicken sandwich. Is it named after me? And it has pickles on it and some
Chipotle salsa.
Yep, chipotle salsa, very good. And some other seasonings and stuff. I chose French fries. You can also get apple slices or
House-made chips.
okay, there you go. Disney, I have a couple of little complaints. Quit putting this messy food in these tiny little food boats, because now I have nowhere to grab my sandwich without getting it all over the table and all of that. And I need room for the fries. Some of them fell off into the tray too. Also, please print your menu options larger or out front. I don't know if you're gonna listen to me on that. So what? But those are my mini gripes, and I think my sandwich is gonna be good. We went to Chef Art Smith's Homecoming at Disney Springs a few days ago. And we were completely mega underwhelmed for the price.
Yeah, we were really going in expecting it to be phenomenal because we've seen a lot of positive reviews and feedback about the food, especially the fried chicken, which is why I wanted to go in the first place, because I like fried chicken, and it just sounded like the place to go. And we were pretty disappointed with it.
Service was awesome, of course, at Disney, and the atmosphere was pretty cool inside. Little loud, like every restaurant anymore, unfortunately, but all of that was great. But the food for a $30 plate of chicken.
Right, and I only wanted white meat, so we got charged a little bit extra, which we expected, but yeah, so it ended up being like $32 for a plate of 2 chicken breasts and some mashed potatoes and a biscuit. And the chicken was okay. I've had better fried chicken, I will say that.
And I had a fried mahi sandwich for $20 with some house-made chips. Already, that's kind of a downgrade from fries automatically. And the chips were very average. We're not super picky eaters, but really these were not $30 and $20 meals at all, unfortunately. So this is better, and this was $9.49, this sandwich meal here.
Just our 2 cents, throwing it out there.
Yep, 2 meals and 2 cents. Usually after lunch, we hop into the lazy river so as to give our stomachs a little bit of digestion time at ease. But we noticed that Misadventure Falls is pretty much a walk-on, so we decided to go to that and rest instead. Oh no! Don't hit Zena in the head! We're gonna get Zena's face, see how it is when she gets doused.
Refreshing. Woo! Pretty crowded. I mean, not crowded. Cloudy today. And things are
Here we go. Oh, wow, I got doused.
And here comes
Splashdown where I break my back. Oh my gosh.
We gonna win, Lisa?
Cowabunga! That was the Humunga Cowabunga. I have not taken it easy after lunch. Zena's gonna sit these couple out, let her lunch digest. And now onto the storm slides right next door.
Wait for the green signal before you go. Keep your hands and feet moving the slides.
Is it just me, or does the safety announcer on the speaker sound a little bit like Stephen Colbert?
Ankles and ankles crossed in front of you.
There's the Humunga Cowabunga where we just came from. By the way, they usually don't want you wearing your sandals or sunglasses on these, so you may as well take them off. Let your significant other lovingly hold them while you ride, or you hold them into your hands and clench them while you go down. Are we going to do the jib jammer on the right, the stern burner in the center, or the rudder buster on the left? Waiting for the green light. It's a little bit dark. I just got doused a lot. That body slammed me. Water all up the nose.
Oh,
And my butt hit the bottom.
oh gosh.
That means it was really fun.
It really did jam your jib.
Jib my jam. Jib jammer. Yeah, I can't remember. Oh, I think I did the stern burner. I don't know. Maybe it was a worm burner.
One of them is called the jib jammer, so that's why I'm saying that.
Now, time for the lazy river. This is more Zena speed after lunch. Really should be mine too. There's a single tube. Oh, the single tubers. Let's watch Zena's bun. Look at those storm clouds rolling in.
I think we're gonna take the next exit at Village Landing so we can get in some wave pool time before it starts to storm.
Literally storm at Typhoon Lagoon. Very fitting that it should storm here. Does Zena have a date with this Joffrey's behind her too?
Ah, here it comes!
Your shoe. That's what you said, your shoe. Aftershock. With that, I think our Typhoon Lagoon day is pretty much done because
There's some Florida afternoon summer thunder.
there you see the sky in the background. We hope you enjoyed our video. Stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and check out our other content as well. We really appreciate you watching.
Make sure to click that notification bell. Get those updates.
Thanks, and we'll see you soon.
That was terrible.